What is MATLAB? MATLAB is a proprietary programming language owned by MathWorks and originally released in the mid-1980s. It is built specifically for use by scientists and engineers. Programmers use MATLAB to build machine learning and deep learning applications. MATLAB-based programs enable users to analyze data, create algorithms, process images, and verify research. Generally, MATLAB is easier to learn than other programming languages on our list. MathWorks' website has an extensive section dedicated to answering questions about MATLAB. The average MATLAB developer takes home an average salary of $100,760 each year. Level: beginner. Skills needed: basic knowledge of programming is recommended, but not required. Platform: mostly desktop. Popularity among programmers: not as popular as Python, its closest rival, but its popularity is increasing for hardware engineering and running visualizations. Benefits: can be used to easily run and test algorithms, easily debugged, enables extensive data analysis and visualizations. Relatively simple to learn. Downsides: as an interpreted vs. compiled language, it's relatively slow. Installation files take a significant amount of space on the computer. Degree of use: not used extensively outside of the science and research domains. Annual salary projection: $100,766. Dear friend, if you like this video, kindly make sure to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you stay informed about all our upcoming latest videos. Keep watching Protech Computer Education.